Hello and welcome to English Stories Hub, the podcast for learners who want to understand native speakers with ease and joy. I'm Tom and I'm here to help you hear English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful. Why you still can't understand fast speech, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you study every day. Many people think they need to know every single word or grammar rule to understand, but that's not true. You don't need a bigger dictionary. You don't need a native teacher next to you. You don't need to study for hours every night. What you need are small, smart secrets. Secrets that are easy to use. Secrets that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident hearing English. So, let's begin. Let's start with a simple question. Why is fast English so hard? Maybe you have heard the word before, linking. Maybe you haven't. Linking is one of the main secrets to improve your listening and speaking at the same time. It's simple and very powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English like me right now and you try to find where words connect. You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just catch the flow like a song. You try to see how sounds change speed with the same tone and the same rhythm as the speaker. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence and you find the link. I want to know the secret. Now you listen. I listen to English every day. Now you listen. Very good. That's it. That's listening. At first it feels a little strange. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Listening is not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your ears to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English flows, how it moves, how it feels in your head. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to hear faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results. Now, let's talk about the main question. How can you practice listening every day? Many students tell me, Tom, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I listen. I don't know how to start. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Let me give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice listening every single day. In your real life, wherever you are. Secret number 1, listen to slow English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to hear better, you must listen more every day. Not once a week, not only in class, every day. Listening helps you learn how sounds link. It helps you hear the real rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster and it helps you get used to how real people speak, not just the English in textbooks. So, how can you do it? You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can watch videos on YouTube. You can listen to short stories or English news for learners. You don't need to spend hours doing it. Just 5 or 10 minutes while you drink your coffee or walk to work is enough. Now, let's look at secret number 2. Focus on the connected speech. Native speakers don't say every word separately. They join them. For example, what do becomes wecha. Don't be afraid of this. Just listen for the music of the phrase. Secret number 3 is active listening. Don't just let the sound pass by. Try to catch 1 or 2 new words in every short story. Secret number 4 is don't use subtitles in your own language. If you must use them, use English subtitles. This helps your eyes and ears work together to recognize the sounds you already know. And finally, secret number 5. Be patient with yourself. Your brain needs time to grow. If you listen a little bit every day, I promise you, the fast English will start to feel slow and clear. You have the power to do this. You are doing a great job just by being here today. Thank you for listening to English Unleashed. If you found these secrets helpful, please share this episode with a friend who is also learning. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to be a great communicator. You just need to keep going, step by step. I am very proud of your progress today. Join me in the next episode where we will practice more together. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep enjoying your English journey. I'm Tom, and I will talk to you very soon. Goodbye for now and happy learning to everyone.